What it do, guys? We are back for another review and unboxing. What are we doing today? Let's see. Let me move my hands. Yes, we have them. We're finally going to do the JBuds Air and this new product that just came out. It's supposed to be out in March. It's not quite March yet, but these are out already. The JLab Go Air True Wireless Earbuds. Budget buy for the budget man. Now, are these any good? Let's find out today on the review. So today we have some headphones to review. These I by far, maybe, possibly, be the best budget earbuds. These were the old kings, the $50 kings, JBuds Air, True Wireless Earbuds. These are sitting at a very nice $29.99, $30 kings. Now these I saw online, on YouTube of course. El Jefe reviewed them and gave them outstanding reviews. Your boy J-Dub over there at Plug and Play Reviews also recommended these. So I had to get them myself. I actually spent my money to get these personally for me. So my opinions will be my opinions. If they're good or not, I'll let you know if they're good or not. Goodbye for $29.99? Let's find out. But let's find out what our old predecessor is. Let's see what these guys have in there real quick. We'll unbox them real quick just to show you. These have auto on them, on and playtime. Let's see, JBuds automatically turn on and connect to each one. These have 3.5 hours of use, plus 10.5 hours of extra hour on the battery case. Custom EQ. It has buttons, control buttons on the side. Everyday proof, IP55 sweat resistant. So these can get a little wet. Same thing, you got the cush fins, you got the extra gels. We'll open these up real quick, and here's all the commands for these particular head earbuds. Let's see, there you go. Positive you must. Well, I've already had these for a while. I bought these like 2 years ago almost. So I've had these for a little while. Everything's in there. I keep my boxes for every single electronic device I own, as you can see. And here they are. Now these are very cool. These have their own little case and their own cable. That's the only thing that's funky about them, is that they have USB-A cable to plug, but no other input in there anywhere else. These are very good. These have the EQ, the JLab one, the signature sound. That's probably the best one. The magnets are very good on these. Bam! These are very good. I've had these already. I can already tell you that these are good earbuds for $50. $50 earbuds. Yeah, I would get these again and again if that's all that was available to me. But something else is now available to us for even cheaper, $20 cheaper than this guy right here. And this guy is good. This guy is good. This guy is very good. Look at that magnetic. I love the lid on this thing. This thing's awesome. But there's a new king. There's a new king. These guys. And I have not opened these yet. You know how hard it is for me not to open the box? Wow, there they are. Same thing. Now, what I think is funny, they went with a open, no lid for this one. There's the touch controls right there, and they're actually touch controls, not buttons this time. So you touch them there. One tap on either side, negative, plus for the volume. Hold 1 second to go through the track, or skip tracks, I believe. 2 taps for Siri, Google, and the other side's for play and pause. And 3 taps on either side for EQ settings. The Go Air will cycle through 3 EQ settings. No cush fins on this one, but you do get 2 sides. I think small, medium, and large gels. Now let's just get into it. You guys are here for the long haul. These things are supposed to have long battery. They have a longer battery life than those guys do. These actually come in at about, let's see, what does this say? 5 hours? 5 hours of playtime? Wow. plus 20 hours of playtime. So you get 50 plus 50 with the case. So wow. They are 20% smaller than the JBuds Air, so they'll be small. So we'll be comparing the size of them here. And dual connect. That's the one thing that these will have against them. These to rely on a master and a slave unit. So that means you can only use one earbud on single mode. So only the right one is able to use by itself. If you try to use this one by itself, nothing will come out because it relies on this one. This is the main one. That's what says this one. Now, these guys have support dual mode, dual connect. All right, let's open these suckers. There you go. All right, so let's get into these guys real quick. Let's see what's inside the box. We get our charging case. Ooh, kind of small. It's kind of good small. Put this aside. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. We're supposed to get some tips. Oh, here you go. Here's our tips right here. A couple of gel tips. And that's it. That's what you get in the box. And you get your little remote control, and that's it. And pull the beautiful case out. They put a little piece of paper in there. Get your buds out. There you go. Ooh. They're charging. For the first time, they put this in there to block the chargers. So how do you get them out? Oh, we're gonna have one of these situations again. Oh, buds out. They do have little lights on them. Let's get the buds out. It's gonna be a little bit of a hassle, huh? Guess you gotta pull up like that. Just by looking at them, they do look smaller. Let's compare with one of these guys. Oh wow. Yeah, a bit smaller. It's a button. Actual touch button. Ooh, gotta hook these up. Back in there. So you know which one goes where. Oh wow. Little light there. See the light's on. Let's charge it. It's charging. And inside they pulse inside there. Now just like the other ones, they have their own cable for charging. Just like the other ones. That's how they keep the price down. The case is very light, very, very light. Wow, the magnets are good. Oh, that one almost came out. Almost made it come out too. But either way, it's not gonna come out. Pretty dope. Let's hook them up. Let's hook them up to your phone. Let's go to Bluetooth. They do support the dual connect, so you push out like that, and push out like this. There you go. You guys can see it there. JLab Go Air connected. And I have the small ones in now. Let's see how the small ones do. Pop them in. Let's do a quick sound test. JLab Go Air only at 50%. One tap to turn the volume down, and they are tapped. Siri, double tap on the left for Siri. Play and pause, double tap. Volume up, one tap. One tap for volume up. Now I'm on balance. Sounds okay. Bass boost. JLab signature is the word place to go. Let's try something with some bass boost. Let's go to bass boost too. Oh, it sounds good. Let's see if that dual still playing over here. Oh, it turned off for a minute. Oh, it turned off on me. What happened here, huh? Having some issues right now with connection. Let's put them back in the case. Let's be able to just pull one out. Put it in. There you go. Pull this one out. Connection was instant. I will say that the connection was faster than these. These have 4.2, Bluetooth 5.0. Connection's faster on these. So if I put this one in there, still playing. See, that time it worked good. I had connection issues earlier. Let's see. I didn't push anything. There you go. See if I put this one back in there, well, it's up. Yeah, now they're working correctly. Doesn't matter which one you pull out, it'll work good. Now what I did like, what they did with this, that they didn't do with these, they made the stem longer. I don't know if you guys can tell, they made the stem a little longer on these. Just trying to share connection with these too. Yeah, it's still the connection right now. They are very cool, they're very small. I like the sound signature. They're not as punchy or loud as these are. But these are a good buy for $29.99. I would get these. Recommended. Everything is good. Touch controls work. The box is a little funky because it's actually more pocketable. This, I would say, this is not very pocketable. This is huge. This thing bulges out of my pockets. This is like, so I listen to music and then put the case away. This, I can actually put the case in my pocket. I think this is more pocketable. The case is nicer. The earbuds do a little better. These only last 3 hours. These last 5 hours. So I would say, guys, for the review part, get these JLabs Go Air. Best bang for your buck. $29.99 Kings. But these are awesome. From the review blog, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I will be doing more and more TWS review videos. I have another one lined up. I can't say what it is, but I will say it will be AirPod. See y'all next time.